Hello friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Also, as I promised to you, I will bring the vlog for you on this Sunday. So I did it, and please make sure you watch this full vlog, and let's go and start our study. First of all, I am doing my ancient history lectures revision because this is very necessary for me, and these were pending for revision for a long time, after a long time, guys. So I thought I should revise them, then after that I will organize the next study session. So let's revise the ancient history notes and lectures. And right now, come on please, and you quickly comment and tell me how your study are going and how are you all. I hope you all are doing well and your study going perfectly very well. And by the way, which subject do you like the most? Mostly you like which subject? Which subject do you like to learn about the most? Like history, knowing about old times in history, past time, ancient medieval history. What was the time like in those days? How do you like knowing about all this? If you like any other subject, then tell me by commenting. So please comment down which subject you like mostly. And nowadays I am also having lot of problems in studying. It seems like I am at the lowest level. I am literally low, very low. So I am going to revise my syllabus as quickly as I can do and as it is possible for me. So by then I have to complete my syllabus quickly. So I have to improve everything. Mock test are held in September. I want to do this. If I was to, I will do it. So upcoming vlogs you will know. And second thing is, so it's becoming very difficult for me, but I have to manage everything. Plus I am preparing for RS exam with along with UPSC. So it is very hectic for me and it's like a trouble, but it's okay. I will do anything. I will manage everything. So you can see in this vlog now. And let me tell you something new. I have worked very hard on this vlog. I was editing this vlog at 10:30 at night for all of you, because I had promised that I will bring a vlog for all on Sunday. So I have tried my best and tried my best to edit it. I have tried to make it aesthetic, and I am also trying to do the voiceover in the unique way. So please make sure that you like it. If you like it, please share it, please comment it, and please subscribe this channel. And so sorry guys, I will not show you anything outside in this vlog, like I'm doing something else or something work, etc., because it was becoming very difficult to show you that I am doing something all works, because showing classes for one phone and showing outside from the same phone was very tough for me. But I am trying to paste everything of mine. Next time you will see a lot of improvement in this vlog. So if you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe. And now I am devoting myself to my previous year question papers of ancient history, because I had to revise the notes of ancient history. So I want to revise it along with its PYQs, ancient PYQs, so that I don't face any problems in future. So I will do presenting time. So let's learn something about CA, current affair, or there is a topic about which we can talk about. So if you like it, then let's learn about a topic which is CA, come up in the present time in current affairs. So let's learn about it. Recently, China has become the first country in this world to bring the sample from the dark side of the moon to the earth that you have known and studied in the current affairs. And China has become the first country to do so, and China's lunar mission is called Chang'e, named after the goddess of the moon in Chinese mythology. Let us know about India's Chandrayaan mission. India has sent three Chandrayaan missions to the moon: Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2, and Chandrayaan 3. Along with this, India will send its Chandrayaan 4 to the moon in the future. It has some different objectives and goals which are explained in the upcoming current affairs and present current affairs, so you can must learn about it, and it's mostly important topic for UPSC mains and prelims, so you can check it out. Well, you have got some knowledge about Chandrayaan and the moon, and I had read in this current affairs, so I thought why not discuss a topic with all of you. So I did. I hope you like it. If you like it, then we will definitely discuss one topic in all the upcoming vlogs. So make sure. Right now, I am revising the monthly magazine of current affair because I have to follow the monthly magazine as well as the daily current affairs. So I am to motivated yourself to enhance yourself. Many people must watching vlogs on YouTube, but then also give motivation for sometimes it's not really. You will not get permanent motivation anywhere. So what kind the motivation to do take? In which what way to do you take it? Tell me that in the comments. Who knows? It may be useful for me too. Right now, I am revising my geography notes and the magazine, in which I am reading the Rajasthan geography, in which I have learned everything about the Rajasthan, how Rajasthan was formed, and what is there in its areas. Everything in this magazine. So it's lecture time, and I attending my lecture on YT YouTube. And right now I am taking Rajasthan geography lecture from YouTube on my laptop, and I don't have many source of RS. There are very limited source, and I am preparing for it myself from a few selected books and YouTube. I don't know whether I will be able to do anything or not, but I am trying to give my best. and you can see some targets are complete and some are incomplete. Let's do it. Please forgive me for the background voice because wherever I raise voice, my brothers and sisters come to disturb me. And right now I will revise my polity notes and geography notes, so let's do that. So guys, let me tell you about a new and little sweet thing for you. It is a mantra for you. I want to share it, so let's know this mantra. Om Krishnaya Vasudevaya Haraye Paramatmane Pranatah Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. I hope you all will like this mantra and you all use this mantra in your life, and please ignore my singing. My voice are not good, so please ignore my voice, but I want that all of you should also include this mantra in your life. So it's time to ending this vlog. I hope you like it. If you like it, like, share and subscribe. See you in next vlog. Take care yourself, doing well. See you in next vlog. Bye bye.